We are at now step 3 of the video, where we're going to build a dataset graph for the train and test images. So here I'm going to deal with two ways of doing this. First of all, I'm going to actually do the first one will be to actually load the whole dataset into the computational graph, and the second way would be to load in batches to the computational graph. So as as we have seen, since the second way is in batches, the second way is actually the best way to do it. So the first way is actually using the from tensor slices. So the second way is to use a generator. So the second way is actually the best way. So yeah, so we're going, first of all, we're going to load the image paths into the tf.data.Dataset dataset. Then after that, we are going to read the input. So first of all, we have to convert the data from the data. As we see, the right now the data is in right now it's in the dataset format, the TensorFlow dataset format. So we're going to convert it to NumPy and then decode it to the UTF-8 format, after which I'm going to now read the image from the path. By reading the image, we'll have to change it from the BGR format, which is the default format of OpenCV, to the RGB format. So we're going to outload it from the BGR to the RGB. Now after that is to resize the image to the value we want. So we are actually defining the image config. Yeah, so we're going to do that. Then after that, we actually see that the train images have the whether it's a cat or dog appended in, not really appended, but in the path we have it, but the test images actually don't have whether it's a cat or a dog. So we are going to actually define an if statement here, which will actually help us to extract the label that we need if it's train, and if it's not train, we actually don't want it. So I'm going to, so if I look at for, let us see this, that we can oops. So after we split it by this one, then we take the last part of it, and after I take the last part of it, I again split by the dot and take the 0. Yeah, so we have the label, and then I'm going to encode and turn the label into integer. Yes, then I'm going to run it and code it. So tf.keros.utils to categorical is the label. The number of classes is equal to 2 since we are dealing with 2 classes. Then I return with the image and the label. So, but if the training is false, we're actually going to return only. We're going to return only the image. So this one should be both. Then by default, I'll have to set it to true. Let me set it to false. Yeah. So step 3 is actually doing that for both train and test. So yeah, after setting it that way, we are going now to define the map function in order to load it.